The LG V20 user here, and today I'm making a video about the iPhone 12 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 12 Pro is now here. It's currently out of stock. Um, so yeah, it is currently out of stock right now. No iPhone options available. No iPhone 12 Pro is available, and no matter what color you choose, it's out of stock. Storage options is out of stock as well. So the iPhone 12 Pro is available in four colors: silver, gold, graphite, and Pacific blue there. And the iPhone 12 Pro looks like the iPhone 11 Pro from last year, of course. So the iPhone 12 Pro is available on three storage options: 128 gigs at $999.99, 256 gigabytes, $1099.99, or 512 gigabytes at $1299.99. And they're currently now available. They're currently out of stock right now. So that sucks. So hopefully they'll have it back in stock. Hopefully when this video is live on YouTube, hopefully that the iPhone 12 Pro will be in stock when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully. But we'll see. So there's the iPhone 12 Pro right there. So you guys will have your nice there, earpiece, phone-based and camera, stuff like that. Power button will be on the left side of the phone. Volume keys will be on the left side of the phone along with your light switch. So yeah, this front of it, that's the left side, your light switch and your volume keys. This is the back of the iPhone 12 Pro. You do have three cameras in the back, camera flash as well, so pretty nice. It does have night mode on wide, ultra wide, and true depth cameras. So that's pretty nice. I think the true depth camera is your front facing camera. So pretty nice there. Super Retina XDR display with ceramic shield, Pro camera system with LiDAR scanner. You have three cameras in the back. Like I said, you have a wide angle lens, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens in the back. So pretty cool. Also has the A14 bionic chip, of course. Also, you can shoot and edit 4K HDR video with W Vision as well. So pretty cool features right there. There's your iPhone 12 Pro in different colors. 4 colors to be exact. They're currently not available right now. And what's in the box is the iPhone 12 Pro and your charger and your lightning cable, and that is it, nothing else. So no charging brick. So that's kind of interesting. It also has the MagSafe accessories like the wireless charging and stuff like that. So pretty nice there. So hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully that the iPhone 12 Pro will be in stock, hopefully. So the iPhone 12 Pro has 65 hours of usage time. It does have 12 megapixel cameras on the back at ultra wide angle, and a telephoto lenses on the back, all at 12 megapixels. Your dimensions are 2.82 inches in width, 5.78 inches in height, and there. So yeah. So meet the new iPhone 12 Pro, 5G speed, A14 bionic, the fastest chip in their smartphone. They always say this every year, but the iPhone has the fastest chip in their smartphone, and the Pro camera system that takes low light photography to the next level. So that's pretty nice. 5G is not available at Verizon Prepaid. They will be available next year. So when you guys get the iPhone 12 Pro, y'all guys will have 4G right now, but 5G is on to Verizon Prepaid next year. So keep an eye out for that. So it says here, a design pushed right to the edge The Super Retina XDR display gives edge-to-edge with ceramic shield, which has 4 times better performance. So that's pretty nice. Hello 5G, super fast speed, super low latency. So you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, and real-time interactivity. So that's pretty nice. The chip that pushes what's possible. Introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, and more efficiency. So that's pretty awesome right there. AR at the speed of light. LiDAR creates accurate depth maps in nanoseconds, so objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. So pretty cool. A new day for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color and dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light, 60 times more colors. Wow. 10-bit HDR recording makes video more lifelike. You can easily edit, watch, and share Dolby Vision videos too, and it's the first camera ever to record in Dolby Vision. AirPlay lets you stream 4K Dolby Vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. So that's pretty nice right there. The iPhone 12 Pro has great specs on the force. Verizon Prepaid does not have 5G yet. They'll be getting that next year, so do keep it in mind. So there's a network, your storage is 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. There's your HandNet compatibility. Colors: silver, graphite, gold, or blue. It's a blue device, but which lets you use it in over 200 countries. Usage time 65 hours, which is insane. Cameras is a 12 megapixel camera system, ultra wide angle, and a telephoto. Cameras on the back all at 12 megapixels. Also have a 12 megapixel front-facing camera as well. Your dimensions are 2.82 inches width, 5.78 inches height, 0.29 inches depth. The iPhone 12 Pro weighs 6.66 ounces. Your screen is a Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches all-screen OLED display, 2532 by 1170 pixels at 460 ppi. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe, wireless charging up to 15 watts, Q wireless charging up to 7.5 watts. It also has iOS 14, of course, 5G network. If you guys need help with your iPhone 12 Pro, Verizon has you covered with that. So device support is a great tool to use if you guys need help with your phone. So it says that Verizon Mobile Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So pretty nice tool there. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 12 Pro with iOS 14, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. So there's no charging brick, which is interesting. Yes, the iPhone 12 Pro is not heard at Verizon Prepaid. You keep in mind there that 5G is not available yet on Verizon Prepaid. That is coming next year. Currently, the iPhone 12 Pro is currently not in stock. Doesn't matter what color you choose, it's not in stock. Storage option does not matter. It is totally out of stock right now. So hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully that the iPhone 12 Pro will be in stock when the video goes live on YouTube, hopefully. But we'll see. So yeah, they got said the iPhone 12 Pro is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $9.99 128 gigs, $10.99 256 gigabytes, or $12.99 512 gigabyte iPhone. So yeah, they guys have an iPhone 12 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.